Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this Wednesday Addams makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first off, I'm applying my primer, which is Benefit Professional Primer. So this gives a good canvas to my base, and it also blurs out all the open pores I have. And then I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC40, and this foundation is my OG. It's my most favorite foundation, guys. I cannot live without this foundation. And then I'm blending it with the flat top Kabuki brush. This gives a good semi matte finish, so it this also make your makeup stay longer. So this has a very good lasting bar. And then I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand. This is a lighter shade concealer, so you want to use a lighter shade concealer to look little pale like Wednesday. And then I'm blending it with a concealer brush. And her face, Jenna's face, is very chiseled, and she had all the bones peeking through, so I thought I should contour really well to make that look alike. So yeah, so this is not my usual concealing technique. I'm taking that on my eyelids too, so that my eyeshadow stays longer. And then I'm using elf camo concealer sponge to blend all the concealer and foundation together. So this takes away all the brush marks. And then I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation, and this is in the shade F14. So this is a foundation, like stick foundation, and I'm using it as a contour. As you can see, I'm not contouring my usual places. Like, I don't contour regularly like this, but I had to do this because her face looks very thin and bony, so I had to mimic her face a little bit. And then I'm contouring my jawline. This is a best cream contour product if you're looking for one. And then I'm contouring my nose, forehead, and then I'm blending my nose with my fingers, and then blending my jawline contour with this brush. Then I'm setting everything with a MAC foundation powder. So this is in the shade NC40 again. So Wednesday Addams' face looks very matte, and I had to maintain that, so I had applied so much of powder. And then I'm applying some powder underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to fill in my brows. And this is NYX brow pencil in the shade Espresso, I guess. Yes, I'm just filling in and adding some strokes near the end, as I don't have hair. And then I'm setting with a brow gel. This is from elf, and this is the shade dark brown. And then I'm using my favorite Nika's Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Double Chocolate Chip. I'm taking the dark brown shade on my eyelids. You can use any dark brown shade for this look. And I'm blending it with a Real Techniques brush. This is my most favorite eyeshadow brush. This comes in a kit actually. Blending, blending, blending. And then I'm taking that matte black eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my eyelids as an eyeliner. Like I'm blending it very lightly. As you can see, I'm not using that much pressure on my eyelids. And then blending it very, very lightly, guys. I'm barely touching my lids actually. And then I'm taking the same matte black eyeshadow and with angular brush. This is from Real Techniques, yeah. And I'm lining my lower lash line with that. As you can see, I'm not using anything on my waterline. I'm just pushing all the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, sorry. And I'm also filling in the gaps on the eyelids. Then I'm curling my lashes. This color is from Vega. Then I'm applying Anastasia's mascara. This is my current favorite mascara, guys. This is going to become my holy grail. And I'm also coating mascara on the lower lash line. This makes your eyelashes look so good and natural. And then I'm using this contours palette from Makeup Forever, and I'm using that contour shade on my cheekbones, hollows in my cheeks, not cheekbones, hollows of my cheeks, and the places where I applied cream contour. I'm going a little overboard with the contour. I want to get that skeleton face. So then I'm contouring my nose like I do usually, and then I'm taking this white powder and I'm applying it underneath the place where I contoured to get that shape. And then I'm adding some freckles using the eyebrow pencil. Then I'm adding a lip liner here. This is from Maybelline and this is the shade Rich Chocolate. I try to mimic her lip shape, and she has very good lips, guys. The shape is good. To get that shade, I used MAC lipstick from Satin Finish, and this is in the shade Verve. And then I added Whirl above this. This is again from MAC's matte range. And then I braided my hair. I parted my hair and then braided it, and I styled my fringes, my bangs, and I just tried to mimic her hairstyle from the dance video. And yeah. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you all like it. If you like it, please do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.